This gonna be a different type of video. I'm trying these exotic snacks that I want to try for a minute. I seen another nigga do a video like this. Yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. I don't even know what the fuck to do, bro. But yeah, I'm finna get the box. Little tour, I guess. Computer setup, PC. I just put this bag right here. That bitch empty. Ooh, what the fuck was that? I got this. I got a printer and shit. I'm gonna get another one of these. Spider Dog, Uno, Mario, Bowser. I built this Lego set, bro. That bitch was so hard. But I'm gonna turn this shit off, bro. This is some yeah. If y'all seen that, y'all seen that. Couple books. I got Gunner's book, Virgil's book. I got Supreme book. Yeah, these action figures. What's the brand name? NECA. I got Sonic. I seen this bitch online. I got my Switch down here. My camera. Bro, if y'all know film cameras, this a Yashica. That motherfucker's so pretty too, bro. This is probably my dream camera. I guess I'm giving y'all a little tour of what I got. Dream camera. Just know, this shit cost a nigga rent, bro. Yeah, I got these pops, Rubik's Cube. We solved that bitch like a while ago, but I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna just keep that bitch together. I'm not finna do that again. But yeah, let's get back to it. There's an old camera my mom had. Let me change this shit, bro. This shit is distracting. But yeah, if you watch The Sopranos, let me know. If you got like HBO Max or something, or like whatever, I got Max, I got Netflix, I got Hulu, YouTube, let me know some shit to watch. This right here is what this video is really about. This is what this shit is about, bruh. I wanted to do this shit for so long. Cause like it's really like exotic shit, like from out the country. It's called Bussin snacks. Bussin snacks. This is the $100 box, so I'm kind of excited to see what comes in here. I hope I'm not disappointed, bruh. I'm gonna be so sick. So fucking sick. Alright. Let's open this bitch up. Okay. Bussin snacks. Enjoy your snacks. Bring you exotic snacks and drinks around the world to your doorstep. Yeah. Like $100 ain't the lowest one, bro. They got cheaper ones. I just wanted to go big. Like I really wanted to do this shit for a minute. So, let me see. So, the first one is, you got all this popcorn shit. Ooh, okay. What the fuck? What the fuck? What is this? I guess ribs? Ribs, Lay's? What the fuck? Nah. What the fuck? I feel like these aren't too crazy. I feel like I might have seen these. Jalapeno cheddar Doritos. What is this? More Lay's? Bro, these are like Pringles. Pringles from Lay's. What the fuck? Trolleys. Sour Bizzle mix. I don't know about that. That sounds kind of sus. I don't know if I'm fucking with that. Choco pies. What else? Ooh, this is a can. Brisk, bro. I love tea. I hope this bitch good, bro. Bricks. What's it? Strawberry? Yeah, strawberry flavored Brisk. That's another can. Now that's a bottle of Mountain Dew. Pitch Black with punch and grape. What the fuck? Nah, this is hard. I feel like a fucking kid. What the fuck? Okay, I'm glad it's not just chips and snacks and shit, bro. Damn. A Fanta? Fruit punch? Usually fruit punch cans are red. It don't say fruit punch, but it says it right here. Hopefully y'all can read that. What kind of flavor is this? Mousse? But I don't know what to think about this, bro. So I guess like here, and then it says it what it is right here. It say red velvet somewhere over here. Kit Kat, salted caramel. Kit Kats are cool. I ain't too much of a candy person, but I'll eat that motherfucker. Okay, what is this? Ooh, it's a ramen. It's a ramen pack. Okay, so I probably saved this for another day. I probably won't even put this in the video. But this is a ramen, bro. I'm gonna have to guess how to cook this motherfucker, bro. This shit don't got English on it at all. The instructions, but like, what the fuck? How am I supposed to know how to do this? I'm gonna just wing that motherfucker. Lemonade, Pepsi, lemon twist. A lemon twist, bro. Imagine like, bro, Pepsi is like a dark drink like Coke. Imagine a lemon Coke, bro. What the fuck? The drinks, I ain't really trying to like bust them open and crack them open just to sip it. I damn sure can't like drink all of them right now. So I'll probably wait for that shit. But like this shit, it's like just little snacks and stuff. So I'm trying to think what's first. Which one would I fuck with first? Maybe these. These are Pringles. These are Lay's Pringles. So let's see. Nah, bro. What the fuck? That's how it comes. And then I'm gonna rate them all. So I'm gonna rate all these together, like 1 through 10. See which ones I fuck with. Damn. Okay. Ooh. What is this supposed to be? Chicken? Pork. Oh, this is pork. What is this, like a pork chop? Bro, like it really don't tell me nothing. Where the fuck did I see pork at? Oh, I saw pork right here. What the fuck? What the fuck? Bro, that motherfucker tastes like a pork chop. What the fuck? Okay, it kind of looked like a pork chop. You think about it? What the fuck? That's fine. Okay. I'm gonna probably do all the candy last. I ain't really trying to go back and forth. Okay, so I open one chip. I'll open this one. What is this again? The ribs? The rib Lays. What does it smell like? So it's really just supposed to be like a barbecue, right? Like, I don't see nothing crazy with this. Okay. It don't taste like barbecue Lays. What the fuck? Okay, so it ain't bad. I don't know. It ain't nothing too crazy though. It's like a faint, like a light barbecue taste. Like it's not similar to that, but these have more flavor than this. Jalapeno on cheddar. I feel like these. I feel like I've seen these before. I fuck with these. And they're fresh, bro. Like, you ever had like a fresh bag of Doritos? Let me stop. But I really cooked that whole bag. These, I'm gonna wait. I'll probably just post this on my story or some shit like when I eat it. I don't know. Probably the Snickers. I love Snickers. But I don't even know what flavor this is. Like, it really don't say. It just say mousse. I like Snickers though. So we gonna see. Oh, let me rate them. So, out of 10. Let me taste it again. Tastes like a pork chop. I'll give this about 7. Cool 7 out of 10. Like, you could taste what it is, but I ain't too crazy about it. These are what, ribs? I gotta sneeze. Ribs. Nah. I ain't really fucking with these. These are like a 4. I'll give these a 4. Why would you even make this bullshit? Out of 10? There's some shit I would buy regular, like, if I'm getting gas and I gotta run inside, I would buy these. Let me take one more. Damn, they tried to give me 2. Eight and a half, maybe 9. But these, best chips I got. So we got the Snickers. I don't know what the fuck to expect with this, bro. Nah, yeah, I don't like that. Nah, I'm cool off of that. That's like a 3, bro. I ain't even gonna finish that. I might finish these chips. Salted caramel. You know, Kit Kats, you're supposed to break them off. Boy, ain't no gooey in this motherfucker, boy. But I see this picture, I'm supposed to say gooey, bro. Like, ain't no gooey in here. What the fuck? This honestly tastes like a regular Kit Kat, though. Ain't nothing too crazy with that. I like Kit Kat, so, like, my rating kind of biased. Hold on. That's that salted caramel at the end. What the fuck? That motherfucker salty? Damn, I shouldn't have bit that. No, I don't like that. Oh! That motherfucker actually salty, bro. What the fuck? Ugh. Get this bitch out my finger, bro. Ugh. Ah! Bro, that shit done fucked up chocolate, bro. I like chocolate. Alright, so Happy Moments Choco Pie. I feel like this ain't nothing too crazy either. Oh, it's like a moon pie, I think. Moon pies are straight. They got like the marshmallow in the middle, right? Regular moon pie. Moon pies are cool, but I barely eat them. Like the last time I ate one was last year. Not last year, but like probably like last summer, bro. I ate one. 6. Well, I said these were 4, 6. Yeah, like I like them, but I won't eat them all the time. So these are the red velvet Oreos. I say it. Okay, good. I'm definitely ain't finishing some of this shit. I'm like, bro, I'll be sick if I had to like ditch a whole case of Oreos. I fuck with Oreos. But if these hoes red, that'd be so fun. Ooh, they red. Okay. Fuck. Why is this shit so fucking hard? I guess this is red. That's light. Okay. These taste good. I like them. Will I buy them again? Yeah. If I see them in the store, would I buy them? Yeah. Would I buy them before regular Oreos? No. But I feel like they're just as good. I guess that might be a 7. Cool 7. Yeah, we can leave that at a 7. Alright, so these are the trolleys. Vegan, bro, I didn't even see that. Vegan. Sour bizzle mix, bro. I don't really like sour shit at all. I don't really like sour shit, bro. Bro, like, why do people even make that? That shit make your fucking mouth hurt. And they're vegan. What's like a little, what's it, apple, peach, lemon? If it's a lemon, bro, I know this bitch sour, bro. Ooh, ooh. Why the fuck they gave me a lemon, bro? Hold on. Hold on. So, I had worse sour shit. It wasn't sour for that long either. But it was a. What am I trying to compare it to? It ain't soft. Like usually how like gummy shit is, but it's not hard like gummy bears. It's like it's almost like a Twizzler, like how hard a Twizzler is. But the flavor comes after. Okay, these are valid, bro. Like it hits you, but it don't hit you like a warhead or something like that. How niggas be going crazy with sour, it don't go crazy with sour. But like it hit you. I will buy these again. Hold on. Let me get another one. It was a worm? It's kind of hard. Okay. These, well, I put these in 9. These are 7.5. Maybe 8, bro. I don't even eat candy like that. So at 8. I guess we could try the drinks. Like, I don't drink Mountain Dew. This is Mountain Dew pitch black with a punch of grape citrus. Okay, so it's purple like grape. What the fuck, bro? That's so weird. Nah, this is good. Because it don't even taste like Mountain Dew. Imagine like them grape sodas that they had like at cookouts and shit. The grape soda, I don't know what brand it is, but that grape soda, it's not Fanta. I don't think Fanta got grape. But that grape soda, and it's not as fizzy. It's not as strong. It don't have like as much fizz as those. Like, I can really kill this bitch. Nah, this is good. See, and I was doubting you because you Mountain Dew, bro. You're good. I would definitely buy this again. I would buy this shit. I hate soda, bro. I hate how it burns. Alright, so this is what, a 9? I'll say this is a 9. A 10 is like perfect, bro. 10 is like perfect. Perfect. Alright. Next is the Pepsi Twist Lemon. She got me burping. What the fuck? Pepsi Twist Lemon. I don't even know what to like expect with this, bro. I don't even drink Pepsi at all. Alright, so it looks clear like a lemonade. What the fuck? But it's Pepsi. What does it smell like? Okay, it smells like a Pepsi, like a soda. Okay, so it tastes like how you would like imagine like a Pepsi taste with like a lemon twist in that motherfucker. Like fake lemon, bro. What the fuck? If you like Pepsi, bro, this is the drink for you. I don't try to drink dark soda, if anything. I don't know, 6. A 6 ain't bad. I probably wouldn't buy that because I don't buy soda. So a 6. But I would buy this. Like, I would buy this, but no. So this is the Fanta, another soda, the Fruit Punch Fanta. See what this tastes like. I like Fruit Punch. Here we go. Ooh, that bitch smell good. What the fuck? Okay, so it's Fruit Punch. But that bitch smell like a pina colada or something. Okay, so I had a pina colada Fanta before, but that bitch was like clear. It was like white. Nah, what the fuck? This is good. This is good. Nah, yeah, this is like a pina colada. Ooh, it's green too. What the fuck? I don't know if you could tell. But that motherfucker green. Let me see if I can get a cup. What the fuck? Ah, this shit is good. I can't lie. What the fuck? This was definitely like, it tastes like pina colada. Like a pina colada, like popsicles, those popsicles they used to have. They probably still got them. But I used to buy. popsicles, the dum-dums, pina colada, like Italian ice. I don't know why I say fruit punch though. I guess they're just like, they're limited on words. Whatever country this is. They really don't tell me. I want to say made in Thailand. This is like a 9. But I don't know, this bitch damn near perfect, bro. Let me just hurry up and do this. Strawberry brisk. Nah, I don't like that. I don't like this one bit. I don't like that. I'm gonna just pour this shit out, bro. I do not like this. Cause like, how the fuck you gonna mix tea with? It's like bitter. That shit really bitter. I don't like that at all. But yeah, this is the little unboxing, little Bussin snacks unboxing. Make sure y'all fuck with them. I'm probably do this shit again, bro. I look want to see what else I can get. This is one of the best things I got. I'm gonna eat this on my own time. Chips. This is probably the very best thing I got. This fruit punch. It really tastes like pina colada. Pork chop, straight. This is good. Everything else, ass, mid. But yeah, let me know what other kind of food I should try. I want to try food, bro. I feel like I'm not a picky eater, but like, I'm cool with eating the same shit over and over again. So like, let me know some new shit I should try. Like, it don't matter what it is. I'll try it. Yeah, just let me know. Ah! Bro, I don't know if it's just me, but like when I eat spicy shit and I drink soda, like that shit just like burns. Like what the fuck? That's why I did that. Alright, let me know if you fuck with the video.